Hello student, this is the chapter number 3rd and in which we will discuss about the metal and non-metal. Okay, so first one we will talk about the physical properties. So physical properties of metal and the non-metal. So here on the screen you can see a metal and the non-metal. So what about the physical property of the metal? So mostly these are the solid in nature except mercury. If we talk about the non-metal, so non-metal basically they are solid as well as in a gas, yes, but exception is here bromine present in the liquid form. Then if we talk about the metal, the second point, it is lustrous in nature. So lustrous means what? Its surface is shining, yes, and non-metal are the non-lustrous. Exception is here iodine is shining in nature. Then we'll talk the third point about the ductile. So these are the substance which can convert into the wire but non-metal cannot. Then malleable, so metal can convert into the sheet, non-metal cannot be. Then fifth one, these are the sonorous, can produce sound, and non-metal are non-sonorous. Then we'll talk about the conductor of heat and electricity. So metal are the good conductor of heat and electricity, and non-metal are bad conductor of electricity. Yes, here graphite is the exception. It can conduct the electricity. Then we will talk about the metal. So some of the metals are the good conductor, best conductor of the electricity and heat. So uh, aluminium, silver, and the copper, yes, and the poor conductor of heat and electricity are the some of the metal. So those are lead and mercury. Then we will talk about the density. So density of the metal is mostly high as compared to non-metal, and non-metal having the low density. And if some of the metals having the low density like sodium, potassium, and lithium, so we can cut these kind of metal by the knife, yes. Then we will talk about the melting point. So melting point, mostly the metal have the high melting point, and except gallium and cesium they have very less melting point. They can melt if we keep these metal on our palm, yes. And if we as we compared the non-metal with the melting point, so the melting point of the non-metal is lower than metal. So these are the physical properties of the metal and the non-metal. Then in the next video we will discuss about the chemical properties of the metal.